Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we had discussed break, continue and pass statements in Python with example. If you have not watched yet, please watch it to understand these three statements which are mostly used in any Python project. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the Walrus-operator. Have you ever heard about it? This operator has lot of controversy, but we'll not discuss that here. Let's understand Walrus-operator, which is new and only support in Python 3.8. Walrus-operator is another name for assignment expression. According to the official document, it is a way to assign to variables within an expression using a notation like name and this operator. And this is a Walrus operator with an expression. Okay, as you can see here, it allows us to store and test value in the same line. Okay, so I will execute this one, and let me tell you, the assignment expression allow a value to be assigned to a variable even a variable doesn't exist yet. Like here, n is the variable which is not assigned before. Okay, in the context of expression rather than as a standalone statement. So let's execute this one and see what will the result. Here, list is too long, 5 elements, expected less than equal to 3. So as I written here, so this statement is executed. Okay, with the n value is 5. Let's discuss another example. Here you can see I have not used any Walrus operator, and here is you can see that these are the numbers and maximum range, maximum numbers minus minimum numbers. Okay, this is the maximum number is greater than 30, is maximum range is exceeded, less than 20 maximum range is okay, and current maximum range is this much. So these are the conditions. Okay, so let's execute this. So here it is, Python walrus.python, max range is 29 here. Okay, so let me use here the Walrus operator. So let me delete this line, and here I can use simply Walrus operator with this with condition. Okay, maximum range, this is the name, and you can put here Walrus operator. So in the same expression, so max of norms minus mean of norms. Okay, so here we saved a line because we moved the assignment into the condition using the Walrus operator. Specifically, the Walrus operator performs assignment while also return the stored value. Okay, so if you execute the same here, we will get the same results. So let's execute here. Okay, we missed here one parenthesis, right? So this will be the right one. So let's execute again. Here it is, your result is maximum range is 29. So this is how you can use your Walrus operator in your project. Okay, so this is all about Walrus operator. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.